Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Month of Christmas, Days 6 to 10, written by C. Mice. Day 9, Hot Cocoa. Day 9 is Hot Cocoa Day. I love hot cocoa with a candy cane to stir it. Mrs. Claus makes it. Hers is the best. I will tell you the recipe in a bit. Also, there are two fun contests: snowball stacking and marshmallow stacking. On their lunch break, the elves have a snowball stacking contest. The elf who stacks the highest stack of snowballs is given a snow crown and the honor of being Master Snowball Stacker. One year, an elf stacked 25 snowballs. That is still the record. Sometimes Jack Frost ruins a stack and laughs. Did you know people have stacking contests? One contest is to stack cups. It originated in the early 1980s in Southern California. In 1981, Wayne Godinant came up with the idea, and cup or sport stacking was born. As I said earlier, it is a hot cocoa night, and that also means it is time for marshmallow stacking. After dinner, in each elf household, the elves make hot cocoa. They all use Mrs. Claus's recipe. She uses milk, cocoa powder, and honey. Sometimes she uses water instead of milk. Some elves, almond milk. First, she heats the milk or water. In a cup, she puts honey. You can put as much as you want. Then, she mixes in a teaspoon full of cocoa powder. She pours the hot liquid in the cup and stirs. Delicious! Each elf adds more or less honey and cocoa. Some elves add peppermint and some add cinnamon. All elves add mini marshmallows. They love marshmallows in their hot cocoa. They must stack the marshmallows before they put them in. If they only want a few, then the stacking is easy. But if they want lots, it may take a long time to stack them. To make a tall stack, some elves make marshmallow pyramids. Sometimes the hot cocoa becomes cold cocoa if the elf wanted too many marshmallows. The elves also play Simon Says on this night. They learned this game when they were in the Enchanted Forest. It is a very simple game. It was invented by who else? Simple Simon, of course. Simon and the elves would get together and the elves would do what Simon said. Simple! Simon would always say, Simon says, first. If Simon just said to do something like rub their stomach without saying Simon says, the elf that did it was out. Or if they don't do what Simon says, they are out. People around the world play variations of Simon Says. In China, the phrase is the teacher says. In Canada, the phrase is Jean dit. John says. In Spanish-speaking countries, the phrase is mando mando. I command. In Norway, the phrase is kongen befaler. The king commands. How do you think so many people learned this game? After sipping hot cocoa and playing Simon Says, it is time for juggling. Elves are master jugglers. Once, an elf juggled 7 snowballs. That is the record. Everyone enjoys the juggling. The juggling contest is held at the giant snow globe and broadcast on Elf TV. Most elves watch it on TV. Tickets are hard to come by for the live contest at the snow globe. That is day 9. Maybe you can stack some snowballs and marshmallows and then sip some hot cocoa. Use Mrs. Claus's recipe, of course. See if you can juggle some balls or snowballs too. Activities. Click on Activities to stack some marshmallows and snowballs. You can learn to juggle too.
Happy holidays from Reading Pioneers. This video is part of The Month of Christmas, a book series by Sea Mice, who asked me to read the entire series on this YouTube channel. While this is only one part of the book, you can find out what happens next by subscribing and staying tuned until December 25th, which is when I will finish with the entire book series. That's right. Every day for the next 4 weeks, I will be uploading a story about Christmas. The best part is, this series can be found on Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, and many other platforms for free. Yes, free! Links are available in the description box below, so you can grab a copy of this part and all of the others right now. Also, please support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with your friends and family. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Unfortunately, this is it for today. I can't wait to show you the next part of the series, so stay tuned, and thanks again, readers, for joining us today. Until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!